What's up, guys? Welcome back to Just Cuz Life. We're out here at Allen Brothers, doing a little promotional for them later on today, actually. We're out here on a live range, so you're gonna hear shots in the background. Not really much I can do about that one, but we're here today to play pistol poker. I got my 5 shooters here. We have Byron, Brandon, Stone, Don, and Ethan. They're all gonna go head to head. All right, most of you guys are prior service or current service or some type of affiliated to service or law enforcement. So you know the 4 weapon safety rules. Treat every weapon as if it were loaded. Never point a weapon at anything you not intend to shoot. Keep your finger straight and off that trigger until you're ready to fire. And keep your weapon on safe until you're ready to fire. There's also a 5th one, know your target, what lies beyond it. For us, there's not really much out there, but still be coherent as to where your muzzle is. While you're on this range, everybody is a safety officer. If you see an act that is unsafe, what do we say?
No, that wasn't many.
All right, what do we actually say?
Ceasefire.
The way it's gonna work, we have 52 cards, jokers. Wow, we're playing 5-card draw. Shooters, you will come up to a line. Heels on that line, like I said before. You shoot the card you want. You get 5 rounds to get your first set. If you miss once, you get a flip of the coin. Heads or tails. If you get it, you called heads. If you get it, you get 1 shot, strong hand. If you miss that shot, we do 1 more coin flip. Heads or tails. If you get it, 1 shot, weak hand. After that, you're SOL. If you miss 2, you get an option. Either 2 chances or dealer's choice. So you either get 1 card or 2 chances. Any questions? Choosing from a hat. So, Senor Byron, pick a card, any card. Brandon. Bones.
2 card.
Don? Last but not least, Ethan. It's a hard choice, ain't it?
I know, right?
All right, and again.
See how it's trade.
That's where we were last time. Can we trade?
No, you cannot trade. Dang. And again, guys, we're out here at Allen Brothers. Make sure you check them out. They're on Facebook. They actually have a website. They got just about anything you could want when it comes to hunting, weapons, just about anything. It's just a fun place. We got the pistol range here. We got skeet shooting just to our side. We have duck ponds. We have quail drops, just about anything you could think of. Check them out. They're on Facebook. Go to them, help them out. Tell them Just Cuz. Tell them CJ sent you. Check them out. Let's play. Unload, show clear. 1,
2.
2 dealer's choice or 3 chances. Which one do you want?
We get 3 chances.
3 chances.
Yep.
All right. On that coin flip.
Heads. Heads. Tails.
You're playing 3 down. You got 1.
What the beep?
All right, wow.
How are we gonna do this today?
Wow. All right.
I'll take the 2 chances.
That's more than 2 chances.
I'll give
That's
you
4. That's 4 chances. 3 cards, 4 chances.
You take 4 chances.
4 chances, all right.
Heads.
There's 1.
Heads. Heads. Heads.
You get 2 shots with your strong hand. You're playing with 1 card. You get either 2 cards, 3 chances. Which one do you want?
3 chances.
3 chances.
Heads.
1.
Heads. Heads.
You get 2 reshots. Make you get 1. Sorry, Brandon, you've won every game. You need to keep that streak going.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Unload, show, clear.
Shot him fast and accurate.
That's my motto, boy. That's my
Yes,
motto.
sir.
I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5.
Show that one, Jackie. That's a barely, but he got it. Everybody pick what cards you want to get rid of, pull them to the side, grab rounds accordingly.
Clear.
Wood.
You get a coin flip.
Heads.
Who's next? Oh no. Heads or tails?
Tails.
Strong hand, 1 shot.
Sure.
All right, so Don's been eliminated. He actually ran out of cards. So Don will be considered the lowest hand. You guys are gonna keep playing just to see who wins. Hello, show clear.
Is this cheating?
Yeah, it kind of is.
Unload, show clear. Unload, show clear. Let's check it. What are you aiming at?
No.
Nothing.
All right, that's it. Let's play poker.
Well,
Let's see what they got.
that well, I can go 1 of 2 ways on this.
Everybody show your hands.
Let's see your hands. Let's see your
I will be
hands.
smart to see what everybody's got.
This is Bones'
Show me.
hand.
That's no good though. 1 of 2 ways. I can go 3 of a kind or 2 pair.
What do you have?
Ace high.
Okay, you two are good. Well,
He got the 3 of a kind.
you got 3 of a kind or 2 pair. Brandon has
2 a pair.
1 pair.
What do you got?
Or Queen high. Yeah,
Ace
ace
high.
high.
Good job.
All right,
Winner.
so order of the winners is going to be Ethan, Brandon, Byron, Bones, and sadly, Mr. Grove is going to be eliminated.
He want to make it fair for the rest of us. He's too good.
Round 2 coming up.
Do what?
You brought the crayons for lunch, right?
There's actually this company that makes like crayon flavored ice cream now. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah, we bought some of that. That shit's actually.
Oh, don't think
I
you're
knew
getting
that was
out of
gonna
it.
sell
Oh,
it.
don't think you're getting out of it.
Back when they made
The schnozberries taste like schnozberries.
My spoon is too big. What's up, guys? We're still here at Allen Brothers. This is round 2. Remember, check out Allen Brothers. I can't stress that enough. Go check them out.
Down to 4.
That's
exactly what she
1.
said. He's last. He's second. He's third.
You want?
2 chances. Heads.
1,
Heads.
2, 2. Strong hand. All right, you get 1 coin flip.
Is that? 1 or 2 hits.
All right, that's it. You're playing 1 card down, 1 hit. Rounds load, make you ready. Wow! Damn. Standing ovation. Oh no, I'm leaving that in there. I'm gonna do slow motion and everything.
Still safe.
Aim a little up.
No. It's shooting low. I'm gonna shoot above it.
You still
Did not
didn't hit
hit
it. All right, either 5 chances or 4 cards.
Just give me 4 cards.
4 cards? Just
You
give me 4
missed
cards.
them.
Well, you knocked this one off, so we'll give it to you. Woo! There's your 4. Don't tell my boss.
I can't drink.
Next shooter up. You're on camera.
He hit 4, missed 1.
Where's the 4th one? Oh. Call it in the air.
Tails.
Nope. 1 card down. Now he's just showing up. Miss.
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 Oh shit.
Hit. Miss.
Well shit. What was I? What was I hitting?
Right here.
Above it.
Oh shit.
You were hitting a forward?
Yeah, I was hitting like an inch above him up on top.
2 dealer choice. Or you get 3 flips.
3 flips.
3 flips. All right.
Heads. Tails.
According to DOD, if you're shooting within 1 MOA of the 10 foot, it's in a mask.
You're playing with 2 cards.
Yeah, that's it.
Let's play poker.
All right, let's
All right, choose your cards you want to get rid of.
Good morning.
What?
Make it into 2 rounds. See what's online.
You can get rid of both of them, but you're liable to lose both of them.
So wait a minute, quick question for, since I missed 1, I'm a card down.
Yep.
If I discard 2,
You only get 2.
dang.
If you miss another one, you're down however many. All right, because you clipped this card, you get a dealer's choice. There you go. At least you don't have 1. Stop making me edit quacks in! Call it.
Head.
No.
Where'd you get that from? Jack Sparrow?
Yeah, Harvey Two-Face. All right, next shooter.
I'm gonna go 2. That's how far off I was.
You got 1.
Tails.
Yeah, I was very impressed. Yeah. I was like this. I was like, hey, this fucker.
Let me see what heads and tails is on this. I ain't even seen this coin yet.
Okay, listen, I'm gonna get it right.
All right. Can't argue with that.
Yep, can't argue with that one.
Nope.
Nah.
You got it. You got 1. You did miss the other.
So I guess I'm out.
Not yet. You still got 1. What is it? Yeah, you're probably out. All right, that's everybody. Show your hands. All right. Order is going to be
Winner.
1st, 2nd, 3rd. Brandon, you're eliminated.
Brandon, you have been.
You are the
Bones,
weakest
you
link.
are the winner of this
Go
round.
on somewhere.
You should feel proud of that one, man.
That was double up.
All right, if you want to keep your cards, you can. If not, chuck them in the trash can.
Well, I mean, these aren't even used.
You weren't?
You're not even shot.
How'd you manage to do that?
Dealer's hand. Thanks, buddy.
They were all dealers, man.
He's a dealer's hand.
Yeah, we got 3 shooters. We got Byron, we got Bones, we got Ethan. Everyone else been eliminated. Same deal.
I can't figure it out. I'm always on this hand. Please pick 3.
All right, we got Joker.
He's first.
We got 3.
And Byron's
got
second.
2.
Bones is third.
You got one.
I got 4. Heads.
You get one strong arm shot. All right, one card down. Low show clear. That's 5, you're good. You got lucky. There was one right here. You clipped 2 in one hit. So you got lucky. I'll still count it. Need to go up.
Yeah.
For 1, before you leave, you need to go see the gunsmith.
Yeah.
For 2, you have 2 choices. Either 4 cards, 5 chances. 4 cards. 4 cards. All right. Pick and choose which ones you want to get rid of.
Well, I guess I'm gonna do 1.
It's a miss.
All right. You got. Well, no, you don't have a choice. Coin flip.
Heads. Watch the tails.
No heads. All right. Strong hand. 1 shot.
Heads. Well, that coin's weighted, ain't it?
No, it's not weighted.
Weighted.
He's complaining it won in his favor.
It is.
Play 1 down.
Well, I'm playing 2 cards down because I got 3.
Next one up. Load show clear. You hit it?
Yeah, I hit it.
Oh, nice. All right, you get a coin flip.
You hit.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. Load show clear. Step up. Where are we aiming? Right here. That's a negative. Is that everybody?
Yeah.
All right, show your hand.
What is that over here?
Byron, what you got?
A pair? Ace high? Oh, a pair of 3. Pair of 3? Ace high.
Brandon.
Let's see.
Look at this.
Let's see your hand.
We got ace high, pair of 3s, ace high, pair of 2s.
It's a draw.
Uh-huh.
No, that's not a draw. He won.
Pair of aces.
What have we got?
Ethan,
Yeah.
you're out.
We are down to 2 shooters left. That will be Byron, and that will be Bones. Bones is skinned across this whole tournament. He's barely made it to the end right here.
Remember Allen Brothers, guys. Check them out. Facebook. Come out and see them. They're here in Bladenboro, North Carolina.
What you got? What you got?
2.
All right, Byron first, Bones second. Off. Now we're getting better. There we go.
So you got all 5 of his cards?
Say, Bones, do you just want a dealer's hand now? Or...
Definitely take that option out.
All right, shooter on the line.
Just put your pistol away.
Yeah, can I throw it?
Yeah. Magazine of 5 rounds, load, aim high, and make ready.
Thanks.
Fire.
Heads. I hate you. Tails.
You missed 3.
I hate you. I hate you.
Which one?
Heads. Does that go tails every time?
Yeah. He said heads, it went tails. He said tails, it went heads. He said heads, it went tails.
It's like No luck for me, man.
All right, choose which ones you want to get rid of. If you lose, I'm gonna laugh. Bones.
If you lose, I'm buying you a whole 12-pack and maybe a quesadilla from Taco Bell.
All right, what do you want to get rid of?
One.
One?
Yeah.
Out of
One.
two?
Yeah.
All right.
Nah.
No hit.
Nothing.
See it.
Oh, I was gonna say, let me flip it.
That's heads.
Oh, you called it though.
Oh, for once.
All right, one-handed shot. If I were you, I'd take your time.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Like grandma and
You can go front.
Yeah, in this case, we might allow it.
try me.
You can go front.
Hot.
Fire.
I don't even know where that went.
Way back. I got that on camera in the
Really?
back there.
Bye! Why were you looking at it? I don't know why we're looking at it.
You hit the tree back there.
Maybe you got lucky.
No, it's definitely not there.
Okay. All right, show your
Let's see
hand.
your cards. Let's see your cards. Burn.
Yeah.
Oh, Joker. 3 of a kind.
Oh, who thought?
And he had
All
his
right.
other king.
Well, I guess that means Bones wins.
Yeah.
No, winner's Byron.
Your winner right here is Byron, man.
Byron wins.
Yeah,
Three of a
Byron.
kind. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, comment down below. Just give me just about anything. Something to get the algorithm up so we can get these videos out there. We got a bunch of videos coming. I want to thank these guys for showing up, coming out, showing their love and support and actually playing. And thank you to Juggy for doing all the camera and setting all the targets up for us. That's about all I got, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, comment. Peace!